just mentioned building infrastructure, not paperwork. This is a reform package we unveiled February 23rd. It was great to see the Missouri River be out on it. You really get to see this wonderful gift that Mother Nature's given the United States of America, and it's given the state of Nebraska. It's America's longest river, and it's critically important. The Corps of Engineers has worked over the decades to make the Missouri River an asset for the people of Nebraska and the surrounding states. The way that he remade state government here in Nebraska has helped inspire our Building Infrastructure Not Paperwork initiative that was unveiled earlier this year. This is a once in a generation, once in 40 years relook at how the United States Army Corps of Engineers, which has 33,000 employees across 39 districts and 8 divisions across the United States of America, really deals with America's water infrastructure. But it has to modernize, get more efficient, and deliver more for the taxpayers here in Nebraska and throughout the country.